Okay, so we have
These things. Yeah.
string salad. Wait, and I'm gonna do lemon heads too.
They have these. They have. These are supposed to be really sour. Hope they're not.
I don't know if it's activated.
The lemon one is kind of sour.
You guys want to watch a movie? Fine. You want to watch a movie? You want to watch a movie?
Put more in your mouth. This is the worst than the sour gum.
It's gum? A hard candy. Oh!
I'm just saying it's worse than the sour gum challenge.
Making bad choices.
Okay, it's better now.
Transport takes Dela Cruz to the High Park Avenue police station. Jen and Pat fall
So we're gonna start making a bunch of shorts.
to learn a little bit more about it.
Yep.
So we won't waste people's time.
Yep.
Yeah.
Bye.
Oh.